Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate all the views that we've been getting and all the comments are absolutely fantastic. Today we are going to hopefully fix a leak on our new car. It's a Renault Clio. It's just something that we've brought just as a bit of a runabout at the moment. So Renault Clios, I do believe, may have some issues with leaky sunroofs. There's a lot of water on the carpet and a lot of staining on the interior around the sunroof, around the top of the doors and that. So we're going to have a look at that today and hopefully show you guys how to do it. I'm not sure if you can see down there, that's actually water. That's been seeping from around the sunroof seal. I'm not sure if you can see it on the video or not, but you can see the staining around the top of the door frame there, and staining around the centre. And if you can see that, you can see the staining around here, and it's actually wet as well. Maybe you can see that on my finger. So the plan is, I'm going to fetch this sunroof out. I've watched some videos on YouTube and it does look fairly simple to do. Something that, you know, you guys can do rather than taking it into a garage. It's pretty easy. I'm going to open the sunroof first. If you can see, there's a little red switch there. You have to do, you can press that red switch in and then this whole sunroof drops down. You can unclip it and then fold the sunroof back out again. I will do my absolute best to try and get that all on video and hold the phone at the same time. So guys, the easiest way to do this is, alright, we've got the sunroof shut, so we're going to open it, one click, and then just pull it back a little bit. Press that switch in and then let it drop down like that, and then what you can do, open that and then the sunroof will open. A little bit fiddly, but we managed it. So what you can actually see now is we've got the clip undone inside. This will just open up really easily. As you can see there, that's where they're clipping. They don't actually even clip in, they just slide in. It's really easy to get out. If you can see here, somebody's been handy with the silicone. If you look closely, you can see our drying holes down there. I have tried them and the drying holes are clear, and I'll show you how we do that. I'm hoping that you can see those drain holes in there now. What we're going to do is we're going to pour a bit of water in there, like this. If you can see that on the video, and if you can see there, you can see the water draining down. So we know this pipe's not blocked. We're going to try it on the other side as well. Okay, our drain hole is down there. Just about to see it on the video. I'm going to pour some water down this one and hopefully it's going to leak away. As you can see there, the water's draining down nicely. So that actually tells us that the drain holes and the pipes are absolutely clear. So it has to be the sunroof seal. And I'm guessing it's going to be under there. You can see that there is a little bit of a gap there. That's my guess that this seal underneath here needs replacing. I'm going to show you how to do that now. The next job to do is we're going to fetch all this trim off here, all the way around, and yeah, I can feel all the silicone coming off with it. It certainly looks like somebody has had a go at this before, and to be honest, not done a very good job. So that's all the trim off down there. Where I've got my hands now, it's absolutely soaking. You can see the silicone here. That's just not actually doing, sorry, you can see the silicone there, that's not actually doing anything. Right. There are, that's better, you can see it now. These 10mm bolts there all the way around the sunroof. So what we're going to do is we're going to fetch these off, take the whole sunroof frame out, get rid of the old sealant or tape or whatever it's on there, replace it with some new stuff, and hopefully that's going to stop all the leaks. And now that we've done all them bolts on the inside, I'm going to fetch this rubber off. As you can see, someone's done a bit of a crappy job at trying to seal it. I'm never going to lift the sunroof up, but if you can see down there, it's really difficult doing it one-handed. You can see the drain pipes attached to it. What we're going to do, we're going to fetch those drain pipes off first. We don't want to be pulling them out and breaking any joints that are inside the doors. So I brought the sunroof frame round to the boot. It does look pretty flat, to be honest. And if you look here, you can see it's really crumbly, starting to flake. It's almost non-existent there, almost nothing there. If you come around this side, you can see there it's just flaking off. So what we're going to do, we're going to fetch all that off. If you've got some hard plastic somewhere, you can fetch all that off. So one of these eye scrapers is pretty good for doing this job. Just getting right in there, scraping it out. Please don't use a screwdriver or anything like that, because you're going to damage this face, and that's the last thing you want. You want this face to be as clean and as smooth as possible so you can get a good seal. Halford's double-sided tape. This is 18mm, about 5 metres there I think. This is the stuff that we're going to use to seal the sunroof. And so this is where we are at now. We've put all this tape on, we're going to push it all the way down, make sure it gets right into all the grooves and that. So this is where we are at the moment. We've got all this seal on here, and what we're going to do is we'll put all them bolts back in, get all this pulled down. But first of all, we're going to put this rubber seal on. once you've got the rubber seal back in, which can be a bit tricky, as you can see, all the belts are all tightened back up now, and also you can see the condensation, or where the water's leaked through, and you can actually see on the roof of the car there. So what I'm going to do now is going to put this trim back on here, get the glass back in. So the last thing we've done, we fitted the sunroof, we poured a load of water over the top, and none of it's leaked through. Job well done, hopefully. We'll find out when it starts pouring down tonight. The last thing to do now is hoover up all the floor. It's a bit dark so you can't see very well. Hoover all the water out the floor, and next time it starts raining heavy we'll have another check. So this is the floor of the car now after we've had a couple of days of rain, typical British weather. It's still a little bit wet, but I expect that from the previous leak on the sunroof. But all around here is all dry, and the other side as well. And on this side it's all dry. Let me spin the camera around a little bit. It's all dry there as well. Thanks for watching, guys. That tag did a really good job. We've had quite a bit of rain over the last couple of days, and there's been no leaks or nothing, so I'm really pleased with that. Thanks for watching. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and please subscribe for some more upcoming videos. Thank you very much.